Some items in Google Docs you may want to add your own copy to go ahead and create a copy, or if you only have viewing rights or commenting rights, because you'll see things like view only or request edit access, you may need to go and make a copy. This is a Google Doc. We're going to start here by clicking on File, Make a Copy. That will actually make a copy within your Google Drive. You can choose what folder that copy goes into, as well as the naming of that folder. Secondly, you can also add the version that is given to you or shared with you by selecting the Add to Shortcut option in this Google Doc. This is also available in things like Slides and Sheets. Another option is actually going into your Google Drive. By going into your Google Drive, you can also make a copy from there by right-clicking on the file. From there, you can either add a shortcut to the drive. That will actually allow you access to a specific location in your folders, so it's nicely organized. Or you can also go down here to make a copy. Again, by selecting Make a Copy, the copy is created and will be added to your drive. You can check this box right here where it says Show File Location. It will then take you into your drive for the actual location, and then that can then be moved or edited or renamed from there.